I would thank the government for considering three legendary people, and we can say so wonderfully they have chosen Swaminathan ji, Charan Singh ji and PV Narasimha Rao ji for Bharat Ratna. But while closing my speech, I would like to say that Biju Babu cannot be confined within a single political party. Biju Babu is a national hero who is loved and worshipped internationally. A person who had 3 national flags during his last rituals. Such a person is still waiting, and we Odia people are still waiting for the correct honor that he deserves, very much deserves, and Odisha deserves. So considering Biju Babu for Bharat Ratna has been pending since so many years. Neither this party nor that party, whoever in the government has come into the power, sir, has not done it. I would urge through you upon the government to kindly think on this, and Biju Babu getting a Bharat Ratna would not only make Odisha proud, not only make India proud, but also make the entire world feel happy and proud for this. Thank you, sir. Jai Jagannath. Bande Utkal Janani.